Once upon a time in a small town, there was a boy named Sam. Sam had no friends, no siblings, and he always felt alone. One rainy day, while walking home from school, he saw something moving in a box near the road. It was a little dog, wet, shaking, and hungry. Sam picked him up and said, "Don't worry. I'll call you Max." From that day, everything changed. Sam and Max became best friends. They played in the garden, shared food, and even slept side by side. Max would wait at the gate every day when Sam came home from school. He would bark and jump with joy. It was the first time Sam had ever smiled like that. But one day, Max got sick. He couldn't move much. Sam took care of him, he fed him, hugged him, and told him stories at night. Max looked into Sam's eyes and wagged his tail slowly. He knew he was loved. After a few weeks, Max recovered. He barked again, he ran again. And Sam laughed again. People in the town noticed, the boy who was once quiet and lonely was now smiling, talking, and full of life. All because of one little dog named Max. They weren't just boy and dog anymore. They were family. Moral of the story: sometimes, the love of a pet can heal even the deepest loneliness. And sometimes, a boy saves a dog, but it's really the dog who saves the boy.